Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making Iberico Pinchos Morunos, or Spanish pork skewers. So we got a beautiful Iberico pork loin here from Campo Grande. So let's start by opening up the package and trim the pork loin. So opening the package, we have a great looking 1.5 pound Iberico pork loin. It has a little bit of silver skin on the back, so we want to trim this off because it's not going to cook very well. After that, we want to slice it into smaller cubes that will fit perfectly on a grill skewer. The Iberico pork loin is now trimmed, so let's start making the marinade. We're gonna start by adding 1 tablespoon of ground cumin and 1 tablespoon of sweet Spanish paprika to a bowl. Then you wanna add 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, of oregano, and ground turmeric. We also wanna add half a teaspoon of black pepper and ground cinnamon. Next, we're gonna add 5 garlic cloves minced. Then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and we use Seville Andalusia from Olivelli. We also wanna juice half a lemon into the marinade, and then we wanna stir this thoroughly. We're gonna add the pork to a Ziploc bag, and then we need to cover it with the marinade. You wanna make sure that all the pieces are covered. Then we're gonna put this in the fridge for at least 24 hours. It's been 24 hours, so let's start grilling the pork skewers. We need to remove the pork from the Ziploc bag. Then we want to thread the pork cubes into wood skewers that we soaked in water for at least an hour. We're going to grill this on our Feuerhand Tember grill. So the first thing that we want to do is add our charcoal to it. We're going to light the charcoal on fire. And then when the grill surface is hot, we're gonna add the skewers. Now we're gonna grill the Iberico Pinchos Morunos until they reach an inner temperature of 145 degrees. You wanna make sure that you rotate them several times during the grill. When they've reached the inner temperature, remove them from the table grill, and then they're ready to eat. That is how I make my Iberico Pinchos Morunos, and I think the only thing left to do is to try one of these Spanish pork skewers and see what they taste like. Come on. So rich, so good. I really hope you try this at home. Iberico pork, the best pork in the world. Happy grilling.